just as a little comparison for this side here. That's how dirty it was around the rest of the way. And then for the slide, you can see how the kiddie pool was, and you can see where I missed the spot right there. That's what the whole slide looked like. We got all the trim around the top of the pool by the deck cleaned up. Tried to clean those stairs up a little bit. Cleaned up the ladder, got the slide, everything pressure washed. I came around and got the fireplace cleaned up. Did the chairs, did the table here. Just kind of sprayed everything down, cleaned it up as much as I can. And the camera was shaky because cameraman here didn't want to be cameraman. So hopefully the clips turned out good and you can see what's going on. As you can see, there's just piles of crap on here. Hank's helping me again. But it's breaking up nice. It's just gonna be a matter of getting the water low enough to where I can get it all in one nice pile and get it out of there. But for the time being, all I can do is scrape out what piles of it I can. Hoping by this weekend I have the whole thing drained and getting it completely clean. Entails scrubbing all this green off the side of the walls. This thing smells like a septic tank right now. But makes no difference to Hank. He's enjoying the water either way. As you can see, he's normally white on his hind legs. And he's brown right now. It's really hard to get any footage of doing this. I'm having to scoop with one hand, hold the phone with the other. But here soon, I plan on getting me a GoPro mount for my chest, where I can be doing stuff like this and recording it on the GoPro, and then go back and edit it that way, rather than having to hold stuff while I work. Because it really limits how much I can get done. We've got the water about ankle deep now. Still got it pumping. I'm gonna try and set the camera up somewhere and do a little bit of scooping, see if I can get most of this crap off the bottom while I've got the chance. I just don't know where I can set it up at, so I'll try to do my best about getting it set up. Here's a quick pull update before I go to the chiropractor. You can see a bunch of the leaves is out. There's still some in there. A bunch of algae on the bottom. Got this little pump going, and it is just flowing out of there. I'm gonna cut it off, go to the chiropractor real quick, come back, cut it back on for a little while, see how much it can get out. Hopefully we can get all of it out and then get down in there, get everything into a little pile, and then get it all up and out, clean the sides and refill this thing. That way we don't have to put as much shock in it to get it to be clean. We've got Amy over there sweeping the pool, sweeping the water over here to us. Me and Andrew's over here vacuuming it out, 14 gallons at a time, and then dumping it out. But we're getting pretty close. You can finally see the bottom in the middle. We just gotta get the rest of this out and clean it.
Too shallow now.
We had that pump over there, but it ended up getting too shallow for it, so this is what we have to do for the rest of it. I took a couple time lapses of us getting this drained out the rest of the way. Using that shop vac from Harbor Freight, it's working pretty good. Amy's already working on getting the stairs cleaned up. We also today got some wood to fix the deck up a little bit. Already got this piece here fixed. Next we're going to be fixing this over here. We've got the saw over here already. But finally have this all drained. Got us a fire pit going. I'm going to get as much of this cleaned up the best we can. Fill it back up and then put chemical in it and hopefully it'll stay good. So I'll update y'all once we get more progress. I'll probably update a video tomorrow.